Hello again, RC enthusiasts. Brian here. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I don't know why. It's been kind of busy and doing a lot of home projects also. But I did get in the mail. I got some portal axles for this particular series, the WPL series, which is also the M99, the C24, which is this one. And I had to try them. I had to put them on. Go on very easily. It took me less than half an hour and I had them on, and they're working beautiful. I do recommend that you take them apart, not 100%, but you do take the actual differential box and a few of the axle pieces off and grease them in there. I found out that they're a little bit rough in their gear meshing at first, but I can't tell you how many times I said to myself, I wish they made portal axles for this particular 1/16, 1/18 size. And I'm like, they finally did. So I had to get them. I had to put them on. They work beautifully. I mean, my metal differentials that I had on there that were straight axles were constantly scraping and rubbing and everything else. These did not scrape or rub at all. I mean, I don't even see any marks on these differentials. It's great. I love it. Again, very easy to put on. Works very, very well with the two-speed transmission. It actually is a lot slower. The videos that you saw were actual speed, and it didn't go much faster even with the second gear in the WPL transmission. The motor is great in this, by the way. I believe it's a 370. And the thing I love about it, of course, is my now articulation, which is just absolutely wonderful. I mean, and now both front and back work incredibly well. Do need to work on the steering a little bit better. The system that they have is good. It is good. It is all plastic. These are plastic differentials. I have never had a plastic differential brake. But it does have bronze bushings. They're not plastic or nylon bushings, which is nice, and metal gears on these differentials, which is good. You could almost get away, or easily get away, with not even having a two-speed transmission in here. The two-speed is fun, although I do have some teething problems every once in a while. But I'd highly recommend them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Notate and give any comments that you like, or if you have any kind of thing that you'd like to see on my videos, please let me know and I will try to conform to that. So have an absolutely wonderful spring. It actually snowed today, of course, living in the Great White North. You have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and whatever you're doing, be safe out there. Take care. Bye-bye.